Our children normally will have 2 subjects in a day, but it will be a longer engagement period per subject to cover the weekly requirement. So that means to say that would allow also our teachers more leeway, more time to make the most suitable and appropriate design for their children to complete the weekly learning requirement. So in this process, our children would be given more time to do as well as to engage in a deeper as well as more meaningful learning engagement, and hopefully to address one of the most essential concerns of the Department of Education, that is to actually upgrade the way our students think and acquire 21st century skills. In this way also, our teachers don't have much preparations. Because especially elementary, no? Elementary, walo kabog subject because they're generalists. You don't expect a teacher to make these plans for 8 subjects and become very effective when it comes to teaching. So the 2 subjects in 1 day curriculum is actually creating a focus, not only for our learners, but for our teachers as well. Dumaguete City is adopting the 2 subjects in 1 day curriculum. Our parents do not have to worry much about the number of subjects. The very reason why we limit the subjects every day is because we wanted parents to also come up with their focus when it comes to the support that we need.